Out in the orchard here, checking on the fruits. These are some Nanking cherries. And we should have a pretty good fruit year this year. The only trees that didn't seem to produce fruit, we lost them all, is the apricots, which last year we had a really good year. But most of the apple trees, I would say 80% of the varieties have apples. And some pears, tons of plums, and we're waiting on the raspberries. I just put in a bunch of new raspberries. I got this entire upper area seeded in the last week. And you can see that some of the annual flowers are popping already. We got a dirty lens. That's all planted back there with squash and cukes. I got bok choy, squash, flowers, an entire section here of huckleberry. Looking forward to that. And you can see that the corn is coming up. This is a variety called Lofthouse Astronomy. So we're pretty excited about that. You can see more cukes coming up here. And some cukes and sunflowers. These are cucumber. And those are sunflowers over there. Hopi red dye. So pretty stoked about that. This is about, our first squash of the season. Beautiful, and more cukes over in the shade. What are you growing? Beautiful day today. I also made a new raised bed. Always got to make a raised bed or two every year. A new one. And so it's over here, right by the hose bib. And I got it protected from the cats so they don't poop in it. That's what they do. Boom. You can see we got them taters coming up. What are you growing? If you need seeds, check out our affiliate, the Alliance of Native Seed Keepers, where you get the cheapest seeds on earth, open, pollinated, heirloom, boom. Hit the thumbs up. We love you. Be safe.